That was
Reading time.
a fun thing.
Okay. All right. Oh, this is a long one.
I know. So yeah, well, it's the review. Okay, why did my computer do that? There you go. Strange thing. Okay, which of the following variables is categorical? So yeah, well, it's the review.
Yeah, randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
There you go. Huh? Strange thing. Okay, which of the following variables? I think it just brought up what we've just watching it. That's weird.
Yeah. I put a randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
Yep.
Okay. The mean IQ test score in the US is 100. 20 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their score was 112. Which of the following statements is true?
So which one is going to be the parameter and which one's going to be the statistic?
Hang on, let me Google parameter.
Hold on. I just remembered I was just like, I didn't know. Let's see, I think it's under Google. Google Docs. Because that's where I put this assignment. That's kind of nice that it's just like exactly identical.
Yeah. Okay, so I put 112 as a parameter and 100 as a statistic.
I think I did the same thing too. Hold on.
The parameter is more like a smaller population, right?
Yeah.
Sure, but sometimes Google definitions are confusing.
Hold on. Why are you not working? There you go. Did you say the parameter was 100?
I put parameter was 112 and statistic was 100.
You know what? Let's go with that because I wasn't 100%.
Okay. All right.
So 100 statistic and parameter is 112.
Yeah. Yeah, it'd be better if I looked that one up in the book probably, but I didn't want to go searching for it right now. Okay. Rotham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has a very low property values and another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect to gauge the students' responses to proposed increase of property taxes?
I don't think it's going to be simple random or like random sampling or systematic.
But which one's systematic again? I get that one and stratified mixed up.
Systematic is when it's kind of like you have it on a system. It's like every nth person you ask a question.
Oh yeah, isn't that the one where you like start at a random number and then like every 5th person?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it'd probably be stratified, right? Because that's like, isn't stratified where you take groups and then take random samples from those groups?
Yeah.
Cluster. Oh man, need to review a little more.
Wait, which one did you say?
Systematic.
Yeah.
Wait. Stratified. Hang on.
Okay, so next one. Let's see.
Wait, hang on. I need to. I'm looking up these two. Divide into separate groups called strata. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go with. Wait, so are stratified and cluster sampling, those are similar, right?
Yeah, they are.
What's the difference? Like, what would you say the difference is in your words?
I think stratified kind of separates them into groups.
Mm-hmm.
Well, cluster kind of has like stratified's like the male population and the female population's opinion on
Oh,
matter. Well, like cluster would be kind of in just one general vicinity and just kind of everyone in that kind of grouping that's just there.
okay. Yeah, I'd say stratified, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. When designed experiments are conducted in public school systems, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, fourth grade students in that district. The experiment is then conducted using all the students in the selected classes. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented? Oh, so isn't that kind of the difference? Like they choose a group and then all the people in that group are, you know, surveyed?
Yeah, that's what I thought too. So stratified was the first one, and now this one's cluster.
Yeah, okay, so clusters when they do the whole group,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay. At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? Simple random sampling?
I don't know. I know
Hmm.
it's not systematic, stratified, or clustered, but this is where I got a simple random and then a voluntary response sample.
I would say it's simple random because it doesn't say like anyone who wanted to put their name in, it said everyone who attended.
Yeah, but they voluntarily came there.
Yeah, that's true. Hmm.
And usually with the simple random, they will say simple random in the question.
Okay.
Because if you look at number 8, it says like select a simple random sample of 100 people.
Yeah. Okay, I gotta look this up now.
Because with the voluntary response, you're just kind of, let's see.
Wait, okay. So I looked up voluntary because that's one of the invalid ones, and it said that types of samples are always biased. So I don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't think that would be a biased thing, you know?
That's true.
Yeah. But hey, we can both put our responses too if we want to, you know?
Name of every person who attended entered the drawing. Maybe it's cluster.
Isn't cluster when they surveyed the whole group?
Oh yeah.
I'm going with simple random sample.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that too.
Okay. A special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took the list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented?
I don't know. Maybe it's simple random. Blatantly put the answer in the question.
Yeah, I'd say so.
So that's what kind of usually they do that with the simple random.
Yeah. Alright. A survey was taken of purchases at the Crossroads. Open the data file, Crossroads purchases. Oh. Uh-oh, Shelby.
I know, dumb computer.
Okay, I can probably email it to you.
Oh, that'd be lovely. Thank you. Sorry about that.
It's all good. I just gotta go find it.
It's just like Really? Did my computer have to say, hey, we're not going to work anymore?
Yeah, yeah. That's always nice.
It's always the best.
What kind of computer do you have?
I don't even know. I just have a PC that's like 3.5 years old.
Gotcha. Computers, they die quickly, you know?
Yeah, they do. It's just like, especially PCs.
Okay, math. Okay, so let me just go. Waiting for it to load is the longest part.
I know. Maybe we can just come back to them.
Okay, yeah, I'll just start a. Wait, hang on. I just gotta click on one thing real fast. It's in the textbook, right? Other data files.
Yeah, I think so.
Hang on. I'm like right there. Crossword purchases. Okay, looking for that. Here it is. Okay. Okay, I'm about to email it to you.
I'll just wait for it to come.
Yep. Okay.
We can go down and do number
All right. I just sent it, so we can go on. Just come back to it, or you can open it. Like.
let's see. Oh, got it.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Using software, calculate the mean of this data. All right. Simple enough. Let's go to. Okay. Excel makes my life easier.
There it is. Okay, so what are we trying to do?
Right now we're getting the mean, which is 4.77. Did you get that?
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay.
4.77.
Mm-hmm.
And just a 0 for the
Oh,
3 decimal.
I didn't see the 3 decimal thing. Hang on, let me look. Okay. 4.771.
Okay, and then the standard deviation.
Okay, let me look.
Let's see.
1.912.
Let's see. 1.912.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you can create a histogram. I cannot, so I'm just going to get that one wrong. Ooh.
I created histogram representing the amounts spent in crossword purchases. Well, 1 second. Chart. 1 second. Why do I have to do this? Okay, got it.
Beautiful. Okay, so number 12. What is the value? What is the
Okay.
value of a number that goes in position A in the table above?
So, wouldn't it be 37.91 minus the mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is the
The
mean?
mean is
Those four numbers, like the mean of those four numbers?
yeah, those four numbers divided by 4.
Let's do this one on my calculator.
See. I have my answer as 3791 as the mean. Oh wait, no. It's 38075.
Okay.
38.075. Did you get
Yeah,
that?
38.075.
Yep.
Okay, so
And then
37.91 minus
38.75, which gives you negative point.
165.
Yeah.
Let me click on it. I'm so done with school for today. See if Team ever got on.
I don't think so. I don't know where he went. Usually we're waiting for you.
I know. It actually worked pretty quickly today. For some reason, like, it's a different browser every time that works. And I have to go through all three of them.
That's annoying.
Every time. I'm finally figuring out the pattern. Just go through them so you find the one that works today.
Yeah, I usually just use Chrome, but today I'm using Internet Explorer.
Was Chrome not working for you today?
This computer doesn't have Chrome on it.
Oh, nice.
Because I'm borrowing someone else's.
Yeah.
Because they are very nice roommates. Okay, so what is the value of a number in position B?
Squared deviations. Okay. So let's figure that one out. 38.075. I need to remember that. Okay, I got 0.681.
Me too.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, so which quantity equals the sum of the numbers of the squared deviation column? So is it the mean, the standard deviation, the variance? None of these are correct.
I don't know. What is square?
I think it's the standard deviation.
Wouldn't that be deviation from the mean?
Well, deviation from the mean is the variance, right? And to find the standard deviation, you have to. Oh no, because to find the standard deviation, you take the squared deviations and add them all together.
Really? Oh, so square deviation is standard deviation. I always do standard deviation on Excel, if I'm being honest. So, I'm actually probably wrong.
Yeah, because I did one of my classes made me do like in high school. It had me do a whole bunch of standard deviations by hand.
Oh, it says variance is defined as the average of the squared differences from the mean. Wait, squared differences.
Oh, it is? So that's
Yeah.
the variances, they're all different variances, but when you compile them together, you get the standard deviation.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so it's standard deviation.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, now I know how to calculate standard deviation not on Excel. Like, I read it, you know, but then I'm like, why would I calculate that when I have Excel?
Yeah, that does make sense.
No. Unless it's like a test that doesn't allow it or something. But then usually I'll just like study the formula right before, you know,
Yeah.
then forget it. So, because I don't need it, I don't know. Okay, standard deviation of these temperatures. Didn't we already do that? Oh, no, we didn't. Hang on. Let me get Excel.
Yeah, what's the little thing to put it in Excel?
Okay, so what you do is you put in all the numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so putting in 37.91, 37.25, 38.98, and 38.16. And you know how to like basically like the basics of Excel, kind of how to figure out a formula. Like you press equals, then you type in STDEV, then in
Wait,
parentheses.
what was that called? ST.
DEV.
Ah, there it is.
Yeah. And then, you know, you highlight them all in parentheses and equal sign. And I got 0.715.
Hold on. I'm figuring this out slowly but surely. Wait. 8, 9. Okay, what did you get for yours?
0.715.
I got the same thing.
Okay.
0.715. Okay.
I'm looking at you know how STDEV dot like P came up?
Yeah.
I'm never sure about that, so I looked it up. And it says STDEVP assumes that it's the entire population, whereas for if it's a sample of the population, then you use STDEV. So maybe it's STDEVP, you know?
I don't know.
Okay. So maybe STDEV is a sample population?
I guess that would make sense, but I don't know.
No,
I think
know.
I think you're fine with doing it the normal, like the way we did it.
Yeah, haven't we always got it right when we did that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, I'm gonna stop overthinking this. Okay. Okay. Under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative.
False.
Yeah, it's false, right?
Yeah, you guys are
Buy
alive.
me dinner.
Oh! Hi!
Bought
Wait for you!
Beat that.
Well,
Give me the money
hold
that
on,
you're
hold on,
gonna
hold
buy
on.
a pan with, and go buy me
Hi.
dinner. True.
We just didn't know what to do, so we kind of been on for like a half an hour.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's in the car, dude.
You can use mine.
What?
Mine are on the floor underneath the computer.
Yeah, I'm definitely taking my test tomorrow. Kind of just looking at this, I'm like,
Okay.
Hi, you poker house. Oh, fancy computer one, huh?
So those are like 20-year-old.
Yeah, they are.
Hi, team.
They were like the
Hey, guys.
and I never updated them.
What's up?
Give me 1 second. Is that it? Alright.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So we're
Alright. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
yeah. Sorry,
Okay.
I'm doing something.
Cool. Alright.
Anyways, we are number 17.
Okay.
So you want to start there, and then at the end we can go through the other ones with you?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 17. In the same study, researchers placed thermistors, temperature sensors, on the 3 seals near their spinal cord and brain in the extradural vein. They placed thermistors in 6 other seals
You see this?
in their aorta, the largest artery in the body. Finally, they placed them in 4 other seals in their hepatic sinus. The results from this study are summarized in the table below. Okay.
Which one created the most
Who's attack?
consistent?
Most consistent temperature.
You'd be talking about 3 rat attack.
From one seal to another. So we gotta find the standard deviation, right?
Yeah, the smallest standard deviation, which would be
Which would be the extra dural? The middle
yeah.
one?
But I'm trying to think if the sample size has anything to do with it, like, you know, affects it in any way.
Wouldn't the simple size, isn't it like the smaller the simple size, the more constant it is? Because like you have a less percent error.
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know either. I thought that as the sample size went up, the standard deviation was supposed to get smaller? Wait. Yeah.
Yeah, that is what is supposed to happen.
Yeah, so I guess then extradural would definitely have to be most consistent, right?
Yeah, that does make sense.
Okay. I can define standard deviation in my own words. Yes, I can. Just don't know the formula very well. Thanks to Excel.
Okay, what is the third quartile?
6? I mean 8? Wait, yeah, 6.
First, second.
No, 6 would be the halfway point, right?
Well, yeah, wouldn't 8 be the third quartile?
Yeah,
Yeah.
or like 6 through 8.
Yeah, 6 to 8. So how would you write that?
6.
6-8.
8. I can't put a hyphen.
I
Okay.
can.
Oh wait, I just did. It changed its mind.
Okay, what percent of data lies between 4 hours and 8 hours?
25%? I mean 50%?
Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah.
50%?
Yes.
Because it's each quartile's 25%, and we have 2 quartiles in that.
And
Okay.
no one put a percent sign. In case you didn't read that. An observation from a normally distributed population is considered unusual if it is more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean. There are several contaminants that can harm a city's water supply. Nitrate concentrations is above 10 parts per million are considered a heart risk for infants less than 6 months of age. City of Rexford reports that the nitrate concentration in the city's drinking water supply is between 1.52 and 2.52 ppm, and values outside of this range are unusual. We will assume that 1.59 parts per million is the value of concentration in the city's drinking water, and is between 1.59 and 2.52 parts per million, and values outside of this range are unusual. Wait. Oh. I think oh sorry, I read that line over. We will assume 1.5. I was like, what's going on? Is the value of the
And the mean minus.
Which one is that? That's
That's
not
the mean, right?
That's the mean. Yeah.
Mean minus 2 standard deviation.
deviation and mean plus 2 standard deviation is equal to 2.52. It is reasonable to assume the measured nitrate concentration is normally distributed. So, in reading all that, I kind of lost it. So what happened?
Estimate the mean of the drinking water. So let's see.
So
It's the
estimate the-
standard deviation. What is the standard deviation?
So they said that if it is more than 2 standard deviation away from the mean, that means that it's unusual. Or is it standard deviation? That's a good question.
Okay, so we have to basically calculate it backwards, right?
Oh, are we supposed to go to the source city of Rexburg? Was there anything?
I think I was just saying where they got the information from, kind of like
So there's no extra page that we have to open up or anything?
I don't think so.
Okay.
So do we like find the difference between the two numbers and divide it by 4 or something?
Let's see. Okay, I think I have something, but it might be really weird.
Okay, go for it.
And it's not like anything we did, but I just my brain just started working like this, so I'm just gonna show you what I just thought of. So we have 9 equals minus 2 plus 2. I'm kind of setting them up as 2 different equations. So I have 5. Hold on, let me just see. So I kind of have it set up like this. It's kind of hard to see, and it's backwards. But see how these two have 2 different signs? And so I'm just gonna, since they're stacked on top of each other, I'm kind of using the elimination process. I don't know if that's right, but kind of going so I can get rid of those and get 2 mean equals, and then add these 2 together. What?
I have the answer. Sorry.
You have the answer?
Yeah.
How'd you get it?
Sorry. Sorry to interrupt you. I was just kind of looking at my calculator and wasn't paying attention. But the mean is 2.055. I just took the difference between the 2 numbers, divided it by 4 because they're both 2 standard deviations away from the mean, and I tested it by taking that number and plugging it in, kind of. So.
Okay.
So wait, what was your number that you got?
2.055.
Oh, that's what I got too.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, I was just kind of I set it up in an equation and did like an elimination process kind of thing.
Yeah, well, how'd you do the equation? I couldn't figure that out.
Well, you have 2. It's like a system of equations, with algebra.
Uh-huh.
So you have your 2 different equations. You have the 1.59 as one equation equals u minus 2 standard deviation, and then you have 2.52 equals mean plus 2 standard deviation.
Yeah.
And since you have a 2 standard deviation that's negative and a standard deviation that's positive, you can cancel out those values and get, and then you have.
You know where you put the two on top of each other, kind of, and like
Yeah, that elimination process.
they're like the worst things about math in my personal opinion.
See, I love those kind of equations because
Oh my
I'm a
gosh.
total nerd.
So
And that just kind of made sense to me, and just like, oh, that's just kind of, and I just kind of did that the same way, just that stacking,
yeah, I hope no one
and
ever.
I was able to get that same answer.
Well, I'm proud of you, Shelby.
So, in simple term, what'd you guys do?
2.055.
2.055?
Yeah.
But how'd you guys get that?
Okay, well, she did the process of elimination, and what I did was I took the difference between 2.52 and 1.59 and divided it by 4 to get like the standard deviation. And so then
I don't know where you got the 4 from, though.
because both are 2 standard deviations away from the mean, you know? So there's like 4 of them in there. And so then I would add,
Okay.
Multiplied it by 2, added it to the lower one, you know.
Okay, I see what you guys did.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's fun. You can get it the right answer through multiple ways.
Yeah. Estimate the standard deviation. It was 0.2. Hang on, let me look at my recent calculation. 0.2325. So 0.233.
Wait, you got. Wait, what?
Standard deviation is 0.25,
Oh.
so 0.233.
Yeah, because we have the mean is that.
Mm-hmm. Between what two measured nitrate concentrations?
2 minus 2.05.
68% of it? This is
Yeah,
just-
so the one standard deviation, right?
Wait, what did we say for 23 was?
0.233.
So then for number 23, I got the 1.822 and 2.288. Because 68% is one standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So it's 1.8. Yeah, so I got 1.822 and 2.288.
That's
Yeah.
what I got too, so we're good.
Okay.
Okay, what is the value of the mean of the standard normal distribution?
What?
I don't know. No. Standard normal. Alright, Google. Give me.
Alrighty, let's see what this.
Well, it goes to show how much we know.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, what? Why did I do this?
Well, it'd be 0.
Oh, yeah. Distribution that occurs when a normal random variable has a mean of 0.
And then the value of standard deviation for a normal standard deviation, wouldn't that just be 1?
Find the value of the mean. So it'd be 0, right? What you said?
Yeah, 0 for the mean and then 1 for the standard deviation.
Perfect. Moving on.
Look at that. We're golden.
No calculations necessary.
Oh yeah, all memorization from all the homework.
The admissions committee for most Masters of Business programs require do not mean of apparently.
Oh, I hate these problems.
No, there's so many of them.
What's the
We're
pun?
almost
When?
Don't go in there.
Right now.
You liar!
Hey, we got your pen.
What?
There's your pen.
Shoot, I don't want
Okay,
to
so our mean is 542.3.
I just really thought that was for you guys.
A standard
We
deviation
just went there.
120.25.
It's black.
The amount of
You know your
people
attitude?
that is you. And let's see, so, but it's rare for student,
What are you doing?
and then
Hiding, I know.
random
Turns your head
sample score is going to,
Eight. Okay, so
What?
I'm confused because how do we calculate that when like? Oh, I guess we can get the Z-score. Okay.
yeah, we have to find the z-score first.
How can we? Because
So
Five-
it would be. So what's the probability that a random student would score above 542.3?
the mean is 542.3.
Right, and then we have to.
How do we do this?
Emission method. I bet you it's fine, but it's rare for student with score less than 72. So just do so the equation for z-score is x the value minus the mean over the standard deviation.
Yeah.
So
And-
would you do? So would you do 500 minus 542.3 divided by 120.54, and then you just that would be your z-score, and then you use the
Okay.
Wait.
what?
It says what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 542.3, right?
Yeah.
The mean for the GMAT is 542.3. So if we do that equation, it's 0 over 1.
Oh yeah.
54.
So the z-score would be 0.
What time did you get off?
wait, that doesn't make sense, hold on.
Yeah. I don't know, I'm gonna look at the tablet. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
The area would be 0. Oh, hold on. That means like half of them, right?
You when you're
I got
hungry.
0.5.
5?
How did you get 0.5?
You know, your logo,
What?
slogan.
How'd you get 0.5?
Because 0, you do like 0 for the z-score, right? And then you do the one that says above, which is the right side. It would be
Oh.
0.5.
Well, it makes sense, I guess.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
since the mean is the same value.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
But wait. Hold on, I'm trying to figure this. Okay. Let's look at this.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so 50%. So round to the nearest tenth, so 0.5.
Sure. I mean, is that it?
Okay. So I got 0.316 for the next one. Did you guys get that too?
Hold on. Let's 600 minus 5, 4, 2, 3 divided by 125, 4. So 600 minus 3.
Okay. So I don't know why, like I'm just not thinking right now. Probably because I did 3 tests today. But when I do like when I figure out how much I do underneath that, do I fill in like the 2 spaces, you know, like the middle one and the one on the left, or just
No,
the one?
you just do the one just to the left, I believe.
What is the middle one for again? I can't remember. This is the easiest thing, but I can't remember.
It's for the values in between. So you're. But I think for this one, you're going to use that middle one as well. You're going to fill out that middle one and the one ending it.
Okay.
Because on this graph, we're trying to figure out everything that's down here.
Okay. Yeah, that's true because it's above the mean, right? So it'd have to be above 0.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So did you guys get 0.683 then?
684.
684. Huh?
Oh, wait, it rounded mine to 0.479.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're right.
So maybe.
Yeah, 0.684.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
Oh, I see.
Okay?
Man, what would we do without this applet?
I know, right?
And Excel. What would I do without it?
Why? Why are we taking this class?
It's required.
It's teaching us how to use applets in Excel. Okay. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score 600 or above? Okay, now we just fill in the top one.
So it'd be the middle and the right.
Wouldn't it just be the right?
Oh, it'd just be the right. My bad. 0.316. I don't know what I'm doing. It's getting too late, guys. Okay. Find the gene score correspond to the 10th. Okay, I don't understand how to do this.
Okay, isn't it? Wait, don't we just fill it out on the top or something? Or I don't know.
Okay. Find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 10th percentile.
Okay, since 10th percentile that means you scored like more. You scored like above 10% of the population. So would you put 10, like 0.1 as the z-score or the area?
Wait, what was the question?
Sorry.
Maybe?
So you score 10% more than the population. So if their population is going to be 542.3.
Oh yeah, then you multiply that by
Wait, what?
0.1, right?
Wait, what?
Well, I'm saying if our population is 542.3, we times that by 0.1.
Right, that's what I was thinking.
Hmm.
No, that doesn't seem right.
542.
Oh. I think it.
Yeah, then it'll be 54, right?
Wait. Hang on.
But that doesn't seem right.
Okay. What I'm thinking right now is in the area you put in 0.1 because that'd be 10%. Then everything to the left of that. Then you get the z-score. Then you
Oh, that
have
makes more sense.
backwards.
Right.
No,
Hold on.
she's right with the you do the area. So 0.1000.
The z-score is negative 1.282. So I have to find the z-score. Okay, so what is the probability? Wait, what is the GMAT score? Okay, so I have to be like x minus the mean over standard deviation equals negative 1.282. Okay, got it.
What?
Wait.
What'd you say?
We're like doing a backwards calculation of the z-score because we have the z-score. Negative 1.282 times, okay, what's the standard deviation? 120. What's my say? Okay. 154. Once they have that, then we'd have to add.
I'm trying to see if I'm doing this right. Can we not be ridiculous like this?
Okay.
What
So
did you get? I'm kind of stuck. 29?
What?
Did we determine an answer for 29?
I got 388.
388.
And I feel like that sounds right too, you know?
And is that when we're trying to discover the area of it or the z-score?
The GMAT score of the 10th percentile.
Okay.
So basically, 388 means you scored higher than 10% of the population.
388.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty low, I
So
think.
3.8. 4.
388. No, it's a GMAT score.
388.
Yeah.
Is there a point in there?
No, it's round to the nearest whole number.
Yeah.
So 388 is the answer.
Is there an equation?
Yeah. So, I took the area of like 10%, right? 0.1. Got the z score of to the left. It was the negative one, because it was on the lower spectrum, negative 1.282. And then since what we needed was the score, the score for the z-score, basically I did x minus the mean over the standard deviation equals negative 1.282, because that's the z-score, and then solved for x.
Oh, okay. I think I get what you're trying to say now.
Yeah. Okay, so find the GMAT score that corresponds to the 90th percentile. Okay.
So you just do the same thing, but instead of 0.1, you do 0.9.
Yeah. So it's like the same z-score, only it's positive this time. Okay, great. Let's do that. 1.28 times
Mm-hmm.
equals plus 5.2. Okay, I got 697.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Yeah, I got that as well. 697.
Mm-hmm. And the first quartile of the distribution of GMAT scores. Not quartiles.
So that'd be
Well,
25%?
yeah, that'd be the
Yeah.
25%.
It'd be the number between
And
like
then the third quartile would be 75%?
Yep.
mean and the. So since it's a normally distributed thing, the mean is the same as the median, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so it'd be the number between 0 and 542.3.
I believe so, yep. Sounds about right.
542.3 divided by 2. 271 point, or I guess 271.
Wait, so for my z-score I got like, I want this one.
Z-score.
Well, yeah, don't we find the z-score first?
Do we?
I don't know.
Hang on. Anything. I don't know. Maybe, if anything, I would do like an area of 0.25,
Okay, area of 0.25.
Anything beneath that, and the z-score would be like if I were to do it this way, and so we could try it, see if it's the same. And the z-score is negative 0.674, so then we would have to plug that in. Negative 674 4 times standard deviation. 128.5. Which is not 271. I don't know if that's how to solve it. I just
You didn't.
applied the mean.
Is it not here?
Whoa!
Wait, I'll do it.
Okay.
You're not you and you're hungry.
Stop. You're so weird. Get away.
Did they not come yet?
Who? Who's they?
I thought Glaxia.
They did, but then they left again.
Where'd they go?
I don't know where they go.
They're just cruising.
Yep. First quartile.
We go get some sponges.
Oh, we found one. You found one.
Is there an equation to it?
No.
So the maximum, score for the GMAT test, it says is 800.
Is 800?
Wait, it says the total score ranges from 200 to 800.
Where does it say that at?
I'm looking it up on Wikipedia.
On a GMAT score?
Miss all of them. Okay. Okay. This also says GMOT. So ranging from 200 to 800 can be your score. So maybe it wouldn't be between. I wouldn't divide between 542.3 and 0. It'd maybe be the difference of 542.3 and 200 divided by 2. You know.
Yeah.
Man, I'm supposed to know this so. I hope we're doing this right.
So what did we get for 31?
Still trying to figure that out.
It would be 171 if, the lowest score is a 200 on the GMAT. And if I'm doing that correctly.
Well, if we got our highest score is a 600, or like a normal score would be like 600.
Well, like the total amount of scores, like on the GMAT, it ranges from 200 to 800. So we're not doing. It just says BYU doesn't usually accept anything under 600.
So we're doing 171 for 31.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully that's right. Okay.
Was it 171?
Mhm. So.
Yeah. And the third quartile, which is the 75% one.
It'd be 800 minus 542.3 divided by 2.
Divided by 2?
Divided by 2. 129.
129.
You want to do Saturday?
Oh, wait. Then you'd have to add that to 542.
Yeah. You have to add that to 532. So 129 plus
671.
542.3, right?
So 542?
In the morning.
671.
He gets here and goes.
What's
Yeah.
671?
Wait. Okay. So, bringing it back, I don't think Team was here for this question. Remember when I think that's when he jumped in actually. Remember when we had to find the third quartile and we put it was one number through the other?
Yeah.
So, for this, I think we're doing this one, right? But would the other one just be one number?
Let's see, let's go back up. Okay, so would it be 8?
Hang on.
19.
Ask me anything.
Define quartiles. Yeah, it's just one number.
So it would just be 8?
The second quartile is the median of the data. Third quartile is the middle value between the median and highest value of the data set. Okay, so moving it back up there. Number of hours since
Wait, hold on. 1, 2 to 12.
third quartile would be 8. Do we agree on this, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Consider a simple random sample of 15 students taking the GMAT. I like my hand motion. What is the mean of the distribution of family scores We're all such samples. 9 to the nearest 10th, 1 decimal place.
So let's see.
My
So
brain.
we have for
Oh, okay.
Where's the meaning of the distribution of the simple score for snitch samples? So 15 students taking the in GMAT.
Okay, we have to do some other equation now, right?
I think
believe-
it's the kind of the same as the what is the mean of the distribution of a sample?
Because there's this mystery person. Do you know who Alex Hendrickson is?
No.
Because I don't either. And I got a friend request from this person. And they had
Sample mean calculator. That's what I need.
Well, I added it because I saw mutual friends was like Kurt, Abraham, Jason Thornton, Brooke, Rachel. And I thought, okay, well if I add them on faith and as a
Then you can
friend,
see the pictures.
yeah, but there's no pictures. And so then I text Rachel, who's Alex Henderson? She said, I don't know. I just added her because I wanted to see the picture, but there were no pictures.
Okay, so
It's a
I
girl
think,
who just got
now that I'm
married.
thinking about it, the sample mean's still the same as the mean. It's the standard deviation that's different, right?
I don't
Yeah.
think she does.
Glad I got that right.
So the sample is 5, 4, 2, 3.
Huh?
Is that the sample?
Sample mean should be the same as the mean, yeah. Okay.
600?
just be 15. So it would just be 15, right? Oh,
Yeah.
right? No?
Mhm.
That makes sense.
Yes. Okay.
Huh.
Now I gotta go look at that one formula. Okay, someone remind me, please, of the formula of sample standard deviation. I'll have to look it up.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember.
Well, and
Back my head on that.
I was waiting for her.
What is the probability that the
Wait outside the school for like a minute. I'm
Three.
around. Oh, I'm tired of waiting.
Guys, you don't even know how mentally done I am today. Just gotta throw that out there.
I can guess. I'm kind of dead myself, but probably nowhere near close to where you're at.
Me too. Wait, what is the standard deviation for distribution of simple mean scores for also simple? Would just be 1.
Normal distribution, sampling. Okay, here we go. Sampling distribution lesson. Actually using the textbook.
Go team.
Yes?
Sorry. Gosh.
The headline is
Standard deviation. Okay, so the standard deviation sample means all it is
hardly
standard
unconscious.
deviation divided by the square root of the number of sample. Wow, that is like so simple.
So wait, what is it again? The square root?
Deviation divided by the square root of n.
Yeah, that's
Square-
right.
Oh,
15.
wow.
I know. I thought I was like, what?
I knew that equation, but I just didn't know that was what it was called.
I feel ya.
It's like, oh, that's familiar, just not the name.
Yeah.
So
I
the
know.
standard deviation is 120.54.
So
Yeah.
120.
120.
Is that the standard deviation?
120.54. Yes.
Because on question number this information it says use it 26 to 31, but we're on 34.
Hang on.
I think they messed.
15.
Maybe they just mess up. They meant 30 to 35.
Okay.
I got 0.0311123.
I really like. I keep doing my calculator, and like I can't like every time I type in 120.54 divided by, and I can't remember the these number. You know, that's my brain.
Hey, what'd you get?
I have to like write this down. So pathetic. Okay. 120.54 divided by 3.873.
I got
Okay.
31.123.
Yes, me too.
Excellent. So is that our answer?
Yes.
0.031.
Wait, 0.031?
Wait, did I get something different?
I got
31.
How'd you get 0.031?
Isn't, let's see, our standard deviation is 125.4, right?
Yeah.
And I divided by that by the square root of 15.
Yeah. And what'd you get?
I got 0.031123.
Oh, I got 31.123.
So I got 2.
How did I get one decimal place over?
I don't know. 2 decimal place over.
Why did I exit out of the applet? That's my question.
See, so 15 for root is 3.8. Maybe that's right. 2, 9, 8, 3, 3, 4, 6.
0.0319.
7, 2, 9, 8, 3, 4, 6.
Okay, for number 34, we got 0.03.
I got
0.0.
a really weird answer. Why am I getting weird answers?
Because
Wait, which one did you get?
Hold on.
What?
120.4 divided by 3.8729. 3, 5. Oh, I got, there you go. 31, 1, 2, 3.
Why are you
Yep.
just
Is that
saying
what
over
you
here?
got?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what we got.
she's
Next one is 0.032.
31.13.
She's like, we're gonna pull out all our stuff and we're gonna have like
We're gonna, yeah.
So yeah, I got 0.032. So you got
We already had a meeting.
You want to go through the first 16 questions now?
We don't even
Yeah.
share paper.
Wait, let's make it
No, we have
435.
our own, pretty much.
0.032.
Whoever provides it. That's it. Like I know she has her own.
0.032.
So that's how we do it.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
Stressful.
Number 1 and number 2 are false.
So then I'm out.
I'm just kidding.
Maybe so, but I would put true.
Okay. Alright. Which of the following variable is categorized?
Randomly selected toothpaste.
The IQ score is 100.
Oh, I know. That's okay.
We put 100 as a statistic and 112 as parameter. You agree?
What the mean? I don't even want to eat again.
Yes.
I can take it home and eat it tomorrow.
So, neighborhoods, one has low property, one high. Basically, there's groups with different property values, and to sample them, and like to survey them, we chose a stratified sample because then we'd have random samples out of each group.
Okay.
Number 6,
Mm-hmm.
Cluster sample. Okay, tell us what you think of this one. Number 7, at a school fundraiser.
Right,
the
number
name-
6 was cluster, right?
Yeah. So number 7, at a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected. We put simple random sample.
Which has simple random simple?
Which of the sampling seems? No, like we put it was a simple random sample. We were kind of unsure of it though. What do you think?
At the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prize. I think it's not the voluntary or cluster or systematic.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Great. Special interest group is conducting a survey regarding rules to adequately get opinions. They took 100 Democrats and 100 Republicans. Simple random sample. And then and it says simple random sample.
Yeah, right. It's a simple random simple. So
Yeah.
Okay.
This one we needed to download data, so the answer is 4.771.
4.771.
The number 10 was 1.912.
1.192.
1.912.
Okay.
The other one's if you created a histogram or not, which you can go on and do. And what is the value of the number that goes into position A? Basically, just plug in the numbers. It was negative 0.165.
Negative 0.
0.165. Then what is the value of the number that goes into
What's the
position?
value of the h to the 3?
Yeah.
Square
Again,
root.
plug in the number 0.681.
0 negative
No, just 0.681.
0.66.
No, 681.
So 0.681.
Yeah.
Quantity
What?
standard.
We put standard deviation.
Right.
And standard deviation of the temperature was 0.715.
0.715.
And then 16 is false. And you were here for 17, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, let's submit it. And go to bed.
We're submitting.
Oh gosh, we made it. Oh my,
Wow, we did better than I thought.
Me too. Well, we missed
We're
30.
wrong about number 4.
Well, we missed
That's what
30.
I said in my thing, but I just wasn't sure.
We missed 31 through 30.
Oh, number 8, stratified. They tricked us.
Dang it, we switched it.
Oh yeah, it did
That
totally
makes-
trick us.
Die! We were just reading that, before we did it. Okay, I'm off.
Thanks, guys.
We're done.
Are you
Nice
guys
talk,
posting it?
guys. Alright.
Yeah. So you posting it, Shelby?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it.
Cool,
Alright.
cool. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, see you later.
Girls.
Well, I
Yeah.
don't see the group collection, kind of where you post your video.
You don't see it?
Yeah,
That's not good.
because I mean, there's one for lesson 9.
Are we supposed to do this?
If we did this for nothing.
How we did it for nothing? Just kidding.
Is it on yours team?
No, it's not on mine.
It's never been on mine, so.